In this video, I will guide you on how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPad. With this, you can go ahead and play compatible games on your iPad using your Xbox controller. And so, first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your iPad. So go ahead and open up the settings from over here. And from the left-hand side, you want to navigate to Bluetooth settings. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on from over here, and then just allow it to search for available devices at the bottom. Now on your Xbox controller, you want to just long press on the Xbox logo to turn on the controller first. And once it is turned on, you're going to see the light over here flashing. You want to proceed to put it on pairing mode. So on the top of your Xbox controller, proceed to long press on this button to put it on pairing mode, and you're going to see the light flashing or beeping faster. Now on your iPad, you should now be able to find your Xbox controller. You can see mine over here. So you want to just select on it, give it a couple of seconds, and your Xbox controller will now be connected. So tap on pair, and at this point you can go ahead and try playing some games on your iPad, like the Fortnite game from over here. Okay, as you can see, I am currently playing Fortnite on my iPad with my Xbox controller, and this works absolutely well without any problem. If you find this video useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.